I am picking the winner for the KnitCrate yarn, and all links are down below. If you would like to sign up, I have a promo code Jewel20 and you can get your first month 20% off. Just use that promo code and come here. And for $24.99 per month, you get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns, and you get to pick what kind you would like. You can just come through here and look. Also, I have my 2 books that are on Amazon that are down below, and Crochet for Beginners. I just added the audio, and the crochet hats for beginners. I am adding an audio soon. I'm just waiting for them to get back to me. Thanks everybody for leaving a review if you did after listening to the audio. I'm also going to have the promo code for this beginner's hat soon. And I updated my Etsy store if you like to take a look. I have my shawl and the 4 crochet printables and some mugs I've added. Don't talk to me, I'm counting. Some stickers, some shirts. I'm going to add probably some more mugs and some crochet things. My hooker bag. You can come and take a look. So let's see who the winner is. Penny Halls, congratulations. Please contact me as soon as possible. My email will be down below. I will send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, and look out for future giveaways. Okay, thank you everybody.